Hey guys, we're here at Critical Communications World in Brussels at the Streamwide booth, showcasing our Sidelink capability over Streamwide's mission critical push-to-talk application. As you see here, we have Qualcomm's mobile test platform devices where we've integrated this R&D technology and layered on top the Streamwide MCX application. We're going to be able to show completely off-network device-to-device communication with these devices, and also a relay communication to a device that is connected to the network that would enable extension of coverage. So at Qualcomm, over the last couple years, we've been really looking at the mission critical use cases and how to successfully execute Sidelink commercialization. This has required a lot of testing and evaluation and a lot of support from the industry, including our partners like Streamwide, who have been working with us to ensure that we're meeting the MCX standards needed for their application to be successful when there's no coverage or they're completely out of network and need to be able to communicate.
Hi, I'm Lilian Geshi, co-founder of Streamwide here at the Critical Communications Show at Streamwide booth. We're demoing our integration with Sidelink. As a technology company, being involved in early stages of technology integration is key for us. It really matters in our development process. So we've been working with Qualcomm in trialing Sidelink to enable a feature that is extremely important for us in the mission critical space called direct mode or off network. Because when it comes to critical communications, where you're trying to swap a land mobile radio for a smartphone, you want to be able to work to communicate in critical situations, even if there is no network, directly from one phone to the other without any intermediaries. And this direct mode function was missing on the smartphone, is actually still missing. So we hope that by having Sidelink out on the market, Qualcomm will enable us to have our application directly communicate between smartphones and also relay from a smartphone that has both local and network coverage to the on-network correspondent. This is key. Again, mission critical is about life and death, and for us that's an extremely important feature that is still missing from the smartphone world and that we really want to bring to the market.
And as he mentioned, life and death, it's really important for us to get this right before we commercialize, and so that's why we are taking our time and we are evaluating with partners in the rest of the industry. So when we're asked about timelines of when Sidelink will be in our commercial devices, we'd say probably in the next few years you'll start to see it integrated, but in the next 2 years we're going to have module options that we can leverage with existing phones and our MCX partners to do more in-depth end user evaluation and field testing that will enable us to ensure that we're meeting all the use case needs, we're getting the range required for this to be successful, the capacity required for this to be successful over the MCX applications. That allows us to introduce this to the critical communications world commercially right, fitting all the boxes right away versus having to fix something and go backwards.
So this is a demonstration to show off three-way relay between on-network, off-network using Sidelink devices. This demonstration shows two devices currently connected to each other using Sidelink, and those two devices are connected to a main server. So basically those are on network and those are off network. So this one in the middle acts as a relay between on network and off network. And we can see that whenever I take the floor here on network, this acts as a relay, and this one gets the information in the end that the floor is currently taken. And this goes in all the way back from this device to the relay to the final end user device.